New tonight, 3,000 people signed up for a class action lawsuit against Smitty Supply.
One of the attorneys for the case spoke to News 2's Sarah Gray Barr about the damage.
Michael, Soviet trial specialist Louis Unglesby says the firms in the class action lawsuit are still waiting for test results to come back and urges people to stay informed. The August 22nd explosion at Smitty Supply rocked Roseland and Tangipahoa Parish, covering the area in oil and soot. In September, the EPA released a 305-page report listing what was in the millions of gallons of petrochemicals released into the air, ground, and water. Earlier this month, the EPA transferred site management back to Smitty Supply, who is now responsible for remediation, with LDEQ responsible for cleaning up waterways and ponds. Which leads to Tuesday, where attorney Louis Unglesby caught WBRZ up on the timeline for a class action lawsuit against Smitty Supply.
Certainly, Smitty's qualifies as something of a potential catastrophe.
He says the damage goes beyond the initial explosion.
There's some concern that what was done in order to put the fire out may itself have added a significant number of contaminants.
Around 20 different law firms are working together, hiring independent testing experts to sample soil and water. Unglesby says the results from those tests have not come in yet.
Early testing that the lawyers invested in reflects, the presence of some dioxins and things that are, none of this is made by Mother Nature. None of it's good for you.
But when the results do come in, he says people need to be ready, which is why Unglesby and the law firms are hosting a meeting Thursday in Amite at the community center at 6 in the evening.
We have filed to have the class certified. The judge has appointed a group of lawyers to be in charge of this and has appointed these 20 law firms, which are working diligently to get to the bottom of it. I hope that within the next 2 months or so, there should be some real answers as to what kind of problem this is.
We did reach out to Smitty Supply and the EPA for an update on the cleanup. We have a list of the firms and also claim information on our website. Michael.